Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Dance&Cook. Oh my god. In this channel, I like to share how to make delicious Japanese food. Today, we're gonna do Karaage, Japanese style fried chicken. Yeah, let's do it.
Ingredients.
Chicken thigh, it's soaked in salt water for 1 hour, and potato starch, katakuriko. Okay, for the marinade sauce, black pepper, Chinese soup base, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Woo! Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, stick together. Alright, food is ready. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Yay! Check this out. Karaage. Looks so good. Lemon. I already add black pepper and garlic powder on top. Yay! Let's eat. Oh, it's very good. Wow, super juicy. Wow, it's crispy outside and juicy inside. I like that. Ah, so good. Yummy, yummy. Maybe I'm gonna add mayo. Okay, I have Japanese mayo as a dipping sauce. I wanna try it. Boom. Woohoo! Oh, it's so good. Oh my god! So good. I got beer, perfect. Karaage and beer, perfect. Perfect. Can't be better. Wow. I'm so happy! Oh my god! Alright, that was great! Tastes really good. I think the key is soak in salt water for 1 hour. Chicken meat is so juicy. Crispy outside and juicy inside. Woo hoo 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 hoo! And you can make your own dipping sauce on the side. Woo, if you like this, try it, try it, try it. And there's something you're gonna say like, hey baby, I'm gonna make karaage just for you. Ooh! And she's gonna be like, oh my god! And he's gonna be like, oh my god! And the chicken's gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be fun. If you like this video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And my goal of this channel is 1 million subscribers. So please help me, please help us and support and split the world, something like that. Do whatever you can and see you in next video. Woo!